From this video, you will get tip to prepare for AZ-802 administering Windows Server exam. What is AZ-802 administering Windows Server? AZ-802 exam details. AZ-802 skills measured. How to prepare for AZ-802 exam. 1. You need to deploy an additional ADDS domain controller in Azure to support authentication for workloads running in Azure virtual machines. The domain controller must replicate with the existing on-premises domain controllers. What should you do first? A. Create a new standalone forest in Azure. B. Join the Azure VM to the existing ADDS domain and promote it as a domain controller. C. Deploy Microsoft Entra ID and remove ADDS replication. D. Configure Azure Bastion as a domain controller. Answer: B. 2. Users cannot create new security principals in a domain. You suspect that one of the FSMO role holders is unavailable. Which FSMO role should you check first? A. Schema Master. B. Domain Naming Master. C. RID Master. D. Infrastructure Master. Answer: C. 3. You need to map a network drive for users in a specific department. The mapping should be easy to modify and should not require a logon script. Which feature should you use? A. Group Policy Preferences. B. Hyper-V checkpoints. C. DNS Conditional Forwarding. D. Azure Bastion. Answer: A. 4. A help desk team needs to restart specific services on servers, but they should not receive full administrator rights. Which technology should you configure? A. Just enough administration. B. Domain Naming Master. C. Storage Replica. D. SMB over Quick. Answer: A. 5. You need to centrally manage operating system updates for Azure VMs and Azure Arc enabled on-premises servers. Which service should you use? A. Azure Update Manager. B. File Server Resource Manager. C. DNS Forwarding. D. Hyper-V Replica. Answer: A. 6. A Hyper-V host has a supported GPU, and multiple virtual machines need to share GPU resources for graphics or compute workloads. Which feature should you configure? A. GPU partitioning. B. Storage replica. C. DNSIC. D. AD recycle bin. Answer: A. 7. Two Windows Server DHCP servers must provide continuous IP address assignment if one DHCP server fails. Which feature should you configure? A. DHCP failover. B. DNSIC. C. Azure Bastion. D. Storage COS. Answer: A. 8. A domain-joined computer can no longer authenticate users. You suspect a broken secure channel between the computer and the domain. What should you troubleshoot? A. Computer account trust relationship. B. Azure file sync cloud tiering. C. Hyper-V virtual switch settings. D. SMB direct configuration. Answer. A. 9. An organization uses a DDS integrated DNS on premises and hosts workloads in Azure. Azure workloads must resolve on-premises domain names. Which configuration is most relevant? A. DNS forwarding or conditional forwarding. B. BitLocker recovery. C. VM checkpoints. D. Application control for Windows. Answer. A. 10. Remote users need secure access to file shares over the Internet without requiring a traditional VPN. Which technology should you configure? A. SMB over QUIC. B. DNSIC. C. Hyper-V checkpoint. D. DHCP reservation. Answer. A. Subscribe and like past question.